Next video discuss the algorithm. So unfortunately the video is off, so that we have to again explain how to calculate a tree is given. So that you have to calculate the traversal and after the traversal what is the result. So suppose first time starting, what is the pre-order traversal? Okay, what is the pre-order traversal? So what is the algorithm say? In the algorithm, if ptr equal to not equal to null, first you have to print the data, then ptr left will be called recursively, ptr right will be called recursively. Okay, so this thing I am writing in this way. So first it root means you have to, whatever the data is there, you have to print it in the root. ptr is there, then we go left subtree, then we go to the right subtree. So here we have to start here ptr. Okay, so 3 steps are there, 1 2 3. Okay, in the algorithm see 3 steps are there, 1 2 3. One is print the data, then left subtree, pre-order, then pre-order, right subtree. Okay, so if you go in this way, ptr, so if ptr is here, so first is root. So if you print the root, first is you have to, root means you have to print, first step is print. So first is a will be print or not, then left subtree, then you have to go the left subtree. The left subtree b is there, so first step what here, now ptr first step is print, then we go to the what, left subtree, but here there is a no left subtree. Okay, then it return to b. Okay, then after returning it go again right subtree. What is the right subtree? Right subtree is c. Now ptr is here, so first you have to print it, c will be print. Next you have to go left subtree, no left subtree, no right subtree, it return to c, then return to b, then return to a. For the a, the first step a, what is the first step? Print will be done, left subtree is done, then go to the right subtree. So here dc, what is the first is print, we have to print it d or not, we have to print it d, then we have to go the left subtree. In the left subtree what is the first step? We have to print it, e will be print. Then second is we have to visit the left subtree, no left subtree, we have to visit the right subtree, no right subtree, then we have to return d. Left subtree is completed. Okay, then what, we have to go right subtree. For right subtree f, we have to first print it, f will be print, then go to the left subtree, no left subtree, then right subtree, no right subtree, then we have to return. For this d will be print, then left subtree is cover, right subtree also cover, then d will finish. For a will be print, left subtree is cover, right subtree is cover. So for each node 3 statement will be covered. So what is the pre-order traversal here? A b c d e f. Okay, this is your pre-order. Then in order, what is the in order traversal? A B C D D A. Okay, first we write the step. What is the in order traversal algorithm say? If ptr equal not equal to null, in order ptr left. Okay, again call recursively with ptr left. That is the first step. Second step, we have to print the data. Next step, again recursively call with the right subtree. That is the 3 step. Okay, that is left subtree, then root means print, then right subtree. So the step are left subtree, root, then your right subtree. Okay, so see in these cases, okay, in these cases first a, suppose I am again drawing the diagram so that you can understand easily. See, so first your left subtree will be visit, then root, right subtree. So ptr is here. Okay, then first ptr is go to the left subtree. Here this is a left subtree, you have to go, ptr is now here, then here b, first step is what, left subtree, there is no left subtree, that means you have to return b. Then what is the second statement? Second statement, root means you have to print the data, so here we have to print the data, b will be print. Okay, then next third step what, right subtree, we have to visit right subtree. So first step what, we have to visit left subtree, no left subtree is there. Second step we have to print it, then c will be print, then we have to finish the right subtree. Okay, then return to b. Left subtree completed, print the data, right subtree also completed, then it return to a. Left subtree will be completed, left subtree first statement will be completed, then root means print the data, we have to print the a, then we have to go the right subtree. Okay, This is the first step, second step, and third step. Then for the D, B, C, A. Okay, now up to this we have to find B, C. Then for D, first is you have to visit left subtree. You have to go the left subtree. Okay, E. Then for E, you have to visit the again left subtree, no left subtree. Then second step is print the data. Then third step is no right subtree. Okay, that means E, all the step will be completed. You have to go the D. For the D, left subtree is completed. Then print the data. Then you have to go the right subtree. Okay, for the right subtree F. Now PTR is here. For F, left subtree, no node is there. Then print it. F will be print. Then no right subtree. Then return. Here all the step are completed. Then D, also left subtree, print, and F will be completed. Then here also left subtree, print it, then right subtree is completed. So all the node, all the step will be completed. So the result is B, C, A, E, D, F. Okay, 6 nodes are there. Then 6 nodes are traversal. This is your in order traversal. Then you have to go the post order traversal. Okay, what is the post order traversal algorithm say? See, the first step is you have to first visit the left subtree. Okay, this is the first step. Then what is the second step? Again visit the right subtree. Then last step is you have to print the data. Okay, LST, RST, then root. So according to the logic, it is your LST, then RST, then your root. Okay, the three statement are the three. First you visit LST, RST, then root. So see, I am drawing again for the post order. So first is what? You have to visit the left subtree. For here the pointer will be start from A. Okay, so first you visit the left subtree. Then for B, again we have to visit the left subtree. No node is there. Then return to the node. Okay, B. Then visit the right subtree. Okay, visit the right subtree. Then from C, what? First you visit the left subtree. No node is there. Then return to C and visit the right subtree. For C, two statement is covered. Left subtree is there. Right sub no right subtree. Then two statement is completed. Last is print. Then for C, first it prints C. Okay. Then return to B. B already left subtree is covered. Okay. Already left subtree is covered. Then right subtree also cover. Then last we have to print it. B will be print. Okay, CB. Then we have to return A. A only left subtree is covered. Then it go to the right subtree. Then here we have to go the right subtree. Clear? Then from D. Then from D, what happened? We have to go left subtree E. Okay. For E again we have to go left subtree. No left subtree is there. First statement. Then return to the E. Then again check. No right subtree is there. Left subtree, right subtree is covered. Then we have to print it. E will be printed. Then return to D. D left subtree is covered, but right subtree is there. Then go to the right subtree F. For F, no left subtree. Okay. Then return to the F. Okay. Then check. No right subtree. Okay. Then F will be print. Left subtree is covered, right subtree is covered. Then F will be print. Then go to the D. For D, what happened? All the left subtree is covered, all the right subtree is covered. Then D will be print. D will be print. Then again return to A. For A, all the left subtree is covered, all the right subtree is covered. Then A will be print. Okay, see here. What is the result? C, B, E, F, D, A. Okay, so what is the pre-order traversal of the tree? This is your pre-order traversal of the tree. What is the in-order traversal? This is the in-order traversal of a tree, and this is your post-order traversal of the tree. So in the exam it asks either you have to write pre-order, in-order, post-order traversal. Also it asks to write the step, algorithm or program. This is your very easy program is your the algorithm are only 3 steps. You have to write this and also declare. First you declare the stock node structure. Then you have to write this algorithm or program. Okay. Similarly, you have to write the pre-order, post-order or in-order traversal of a particular node. And another things you have to mark that for a pre-order traversal, root is always the first node. For pre-order, root is the first node. Okay. And for the post-order traversal, root is the last node. Root is the last node. A is the root node, is the last node. For pre-order, A is the root node, it is a last node. And in-order traversal, it is not in the particular middle, but it's present in the middle, not in the particular middle position. Okay, but it presents some of the middle. Okay, in the pre-order route is the first and in the post-order route is the last. Okay, do another example. Suppose this is a tree. Calculate the pre-order, post-order and in-order traversal of the tree. Okay, you have to do lot of examples so that you have to practice it. You have to practice the lot of examples so that you can easily do and easily write the pre-order, post-order and in-order traversal of a tree. So please go through the book or net to find out the question and practice lot of example. Okay, see here what is the pre-order. As you know, pre-order, what is the step? That is your root, then left subtree, then the right subtree. So in this cases, we have to start here 1. First, you have to print it 1. Then you have to go the left subtree. Then here first it print it 2 will be print. Then here first will go, first will be print 3 and 3 there is a no left subtree. Then go to the right subtree. For 4, we have to first print it, then left subtree, then check right subtree. Then return here. Already printed, return here, already left subtree is completed and print left subtree is completed. Then go to the this node. For this node, first print it, then go to the left subtree, then go to the right subtree. Then here already all the steps are completed. Here printed, left subtree and right subtree is completed. For 1, printed, left subtree is completed, but no right subtree is completed. Then go here. For 6, first printed, 6 will be printed. Okay, then check the left subtree, no left subtree. Okay, then return here 6, then go to the right subtree. Right, first print it, first you have to print it 7, then go to the left subtree. You have to go. So here first print it, 8 will be print. There is no left subtree, there is no right subtree, and already printed and left subtree, right subtree completed. Then here left subtree is completed. You have to go right subtree first print it 9, no left subtree, no right subtree. Okay, completed all the step. Here also completed, print it, left subtree, right subtree. Here also print it, left subtree, right subtree. Here also print it, left subtree and right subtree is completed. So this is your pre-order traversal of this node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the in-order traversal? What is the in-order traversal say? What is the formula here? That is LST, then root, then your RST. Then first left subtree visited, then print, then right subtree visited. So for 1, see, for 1, first is left subtree visited. We have to go the left side. So I am drawing another tree, same tree, so that you can easily understood. So here is your pointer. First you go to the here left subtree. Okay, then again from this pointer is here. First you go to the left subtree here. Okay, so pointer is here. First you visit the left subtree, no left subtree. Then second statement is printed. That means 3 will be print first. Clear? 3 will be print first or not for in-order traversal. Okay, then here for 3 left subtree is visited, printed, then go to the right subtree. So here right subtree, no left subtree. Then second statement is printed, no right subtree. Okay, then return here 3. Then return here. Here left subtree is visited, then print it, then go to the right subtree. No left subtree, print it, then right subtree. Here for 1, all left subtree is visited, then print it, then go to the right subtree. 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Next, here 6. Pointer is here. First left subtree is visited, no left subtree, then print it, then go to the right subtree. Then here 7. First you go to the left subtree. Here again we have to check no left subtree, then print it, then right subtree, no right subtree, then return here. Left subtree is visited, then second statement is printed, then go to the right subtree. Okay, here left subtree first visited, then print it, then we have to go to the right subtree. So this is completed. Then here also left subtree, printed, then right subtree. Then here left subtree, printed, right subtree 1 also. Then we have to complete it. This is your in-order traversal. So again for post order, what is the post order formula? Post order formula is your first left subtree, right subtree, then third root means third we have to print. First you visit the left, then right, then print. So see here, first starting here, you have to go the left subtree. Okay, for this node you have to go the left subtree. So for 3 we have to again no left subtree, then return, then you have to go the right subtree. Here 4, first you have to visit left subtree, return this, then right subtree. then left subtree completed, right subtree completed, then you have to print this, then 4 will be print first. Then for 3, left subtree completed, right subtree completed, then print it, 3 will be print. Then for 2, left subtree completed, then go to the right subtree here. Okay, so 5, left subtree, no left subtree, then no right subtree, then print it. Okay, 4, 3, 5. So for 2, left subtree completed, right subtree completed, then print it. 2. For 1, left subtree is completed but right subtree is there, then for go to the 6. For 6, left subtree is completed but right subtree is there, then go to the here. For 7, it go to the again left subtree. For 8, no left subtree, then no right subtree, then print it. You have to print it. Okay, then 7, left subtree completed, then go to the right subtree. No left subtree, no right subtree, then print it. Okay, for 7, left subtree completed, right subtree completed, then print it. For 6, left subtree completed, right subtree completed, then print it. Okay, then return to 1, left subtree completed, right subtree is completed, then print it. Okay, so this is your 4, 3, 5, 2, 8, 9, 7, 6, 1. This is the post order traversal. So again, see the observation here. In the pre-order, what is the root node? Root node is the first node. 1 is the root node, is the first node. For in order, root is the middle. You cannot say it is exact middle. Sometime it is exact middle, or sometime it is not exact middle. But in the middle position. Not in exact, but in middle position. Sometime it is middle and sometime it not middle. Okay. But in the post order, you see this root is at the last position. Okay. Similarly, go from the more number of example. In case of any doubt, please ask me.